The project dashboard provides a bird's eye view of the project's overall state, past events, and current tasks, all broken into the respective workloads. On-Demand Migrations offers an holistic solution to help you manage your tenant-to-tenant migration projects, including hybrid Active Directory migrations and directory synchronization services. Next, I'd like to highlight Domain Move. IT administrators now have an automated solution for migrating their Exchange Online accepted domains between tenants, which will include an option to avoid any email downtime during the event. On-Demand Migration offers complete coexistence services. Rest assured that your organization will continue to collaborate throughout the migration project. On-Demand Migration offers services to ensure your users will continue to email, share calendars, and find critical contact information when needed before and after the migration. Additionally, your organization will benefit from On-Demand's domain coexistence services or address rewrite service to maintain your email brand on day one of your M&A project. Now let's take a look at one of these workloads a bit more. Let's start with accounts, where we manage the discovery, matching, provisioning, and licensing of Microsoft 365 accounts to make the job of identity and account management a bit easier. The first thing every migration starts with is discovery. On-Demand Migration offers options to run a full discovery of your source tenant or simply upload a list or subset of accounts to satisfy those challenging divestment projects. When discovery is complete, the administrator will have full access to a complete inventory of accounts, guests, groups, and the numerous mailbox types that can be easily filtered, sorted, and exported. You may also discover a user's OneDrive, their private chats, from Teams, and any of the other common shared resources such as public folders, SharePoint sites, and Microsoft Teams and groups. Before we move on to some of the other popular workloads, I want to highlight one more capability that comes with all subscriptions for on-demand migration. The desktop agent offers administrators a new management interface to orchestrate when and which users will require their Windows desktop applications to be reconfigured to connect to the new tenant. The desktop update agent has options to automatically reconfigure Outlook, OneDrive for Business, Teams, and even reset their Office 365 app subscriptions. Project administrators will easily be able to track and monitor the progress of each user's workstation and the associated applications. Teams, like all migration workloads, has a dedicated dashboard to provide an overall status and includes assessments to help plan your migration. On-Demand Migration for Microsoft Teams and Groups provides our customers with an easy-to-use solution where you can discover, provision, and merge manually map, and migrate Teams channels, public and private, the files, versions and permissions, membership and ownership, Microsoft OneNote, Planner, and even channel tabs using Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. In addition, you can now migrate your users' one-on-one, group, and meeting chats directly into their Teams activity feed, making the data migration more seamless and searchable. Our final stop on the tour is on-demand migration for SharePoint. Quest on-demand migration for SharePoint completes the circle of workloads that every organization is required to move during a merger, acquisition, or divestiture project. On-demand migration for SharePoint allows you to automatically discover your SharePoint sites, lists, web parts, and members, then easily map your source and target site content, automatically match between sites, and schedule your migrations for later, perhaps during lower activity levels, so that you can maximize velocity. For more information about Quest On Demand, visit quest.com/ondemand. Thanks for watching.